Gospel of Matthew, chapter 25. A story about 10 young women. The kingdom of heaven is like what happened the one night when 10 young women took their oil lamps and went to a wedding to meet the groom. 5 of them were foolish and 5 were wise. The foolish ones took their lamps, but no extra oil. The ones who were wise took a long extra oil for their lamps. The groom was late arriving, and the young woman became drowsy and fell asleep. Then in the middle of the night, someone shouted, "Here is the groom, come on to meet him." When the woman got up and started getting the lamps ready, the foolish one said to the others, "Let us have some on oil. Our lamps are going out." Those who were wise answered, "There is not enough oil for all of us. Go and buy some for yourselves." While the foolish ones were on their way to get some oil, the groom arrived. The 5 who were ready went into the wedding, and the doors were closed. Later the others returned and shouted, Sir, open the door for us." But the groom replied, "I don't even know you." So, my disciples, always be ready. You don't know the day or the time when all this will happen. Amen.